Hi, in this video we are going to learn about filter formula, which is a really powerful formula in Google Sheet and works really good in Google Sheet. Excel they do have the filter formula, but the Google Sheet filter formula is really good. Let's say I need to filter this sales data. Let first let me copy the first row, which would be a header row. I want the same header row. Let's say I write a formula here is equal to filter. Now, first of all, the first argument is the whole range, data range from which you want to filter data. Let's say I need to select this data. Select all the columns and rows. But here's a trick here. Right now we have data from A to E71. But I think so later on we need to add few more rows. Then we can't specify the rows here. So it would be better if we just remove the row value. Now the formula is extended up till the last row possible, and we can add as many rows as we want. Next, we need to add a condition here. Second argument, we would add a condition. If it's true, it would be placed in the filter data. If it's false, it would be removed from the data. Let's say we want to filter based on the order date. We need to select another range whose number of rows would be exactly same as the data set we have already chosen. C to C. Let's say we want a filter here and we want all the values, all the date, all the orders where the order date is greater than some values. Let's say I'm going to specify this cell here. Now I would get all the data filtered if it's greater than a date present in F1 cell. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. Right now I have got all the values here, but I need to filter them. I need to add a value in F1. Let me add a value 22/08/2012. So you see all the years here, all the values would be greater than this date because I have added the condition here. Now, if I want to add another condition, I can add it in the same formula. Let's say I want a maximum date too. Let's say I add a date 22/06/2014, and I'm going to update the formula. I need to add the range again, comma C2 to C less than or equal to the second date. So I would get all the values between these dates. I need to add this date one too. So I would get all the values on this date and the values between these two dates. I hit just I hit enter. Oh, I think I got an error here. Last this operator is not correct. We need to write greater than or equal to. So I got all the dates where the data range lies between these two dates. Now, if I just use, as I have selected the whole range, now if I write, if I write Let's say now I want to have another condition here for the unit sold. So I just want all the orders in which the unit sold are greater than a value, let's say 2000 sold, 3000, any value. I want to add another condition here. Same way, select the column on which you want to apply the formula. E2 to E must be greater than 2000. Hit enter and the data is filtered. If I just I can also specify a cell for this. Let's say I just added it and write F4 and I if I write value in F4 3000, it will be filtered 4000. These results the same 9000. I only got 3 rows. That's how we can filter the data. There are many tricks and the things you can add in this filter formula to get the best of the filter formula. I would be adding few more videos related to the filter formula because I we couldn't cover all the filter formula in one video. I have created this practice sheet for you so that you can practice on this sheet. You can have a copy of this sheet by clicking file button and make a copy. I would add the link in the description. You just click the link and practice on this sheet and watch and learn Google Sheet. It's really helpful in any job you do. And please subscribe this channel so you would get all the practice sheets and the tips to learn Google Sheet. We have done the first part of the filter formula in this video and the next part is coming soon, maybe tomorrow. So stay tuned by subscribing this channel. Thank you.